Okay guys, I'm here. I connected this Super Nintendo Mini Classic to my computer, and now we're gonna just record how does it look from a beginning to an end. So this shutting down just stayed here after I turned off the console, but now this is it. Turn on. And there's a light turned on the Super Nintendo, and now let's go. So the first one what we see here, it's actually which language do you wanna pick, and of course because there's not even Slovenian or Serbo-Croatian, we're just gonna be happy with the English. So I'm pressing the B, doesn't work, I'm pressing A, OK. And why don't I see? Because I turned my screen off. Oh, now I see it! Now I actually see the screen! I was watching on my OBS, but actually I am seeing on my monitor. So this is it, this is how we start. We got here, like I said, we're gonna just go through the games to see which games are here. I believe that there is a lot of good games, maybe they're missing some of them, but most of these games I played, but some of them I didn't. I know that I played Contra 3, or I didn't, I don't remember. I just know that I played Donkey Kong Country. I believe this is the first part. That is one of my favorite games, and I remember when this game came out, the graphics were astonished. They were amazing. The graphics were like, wow, like what the fuck? And I believe Donkey Kong just came like at the end of the Super Nintendo. And yes, I am relocating my balls. And it was amazing. You know, in those days to get the game, it was really expensive, so we had to share with each other. Earthbound, I don't know what kind of game is this. F-Zero. F-Zero is definitely must try if you're a nostalgic old school gamer, because this game changed everything. I remember my dad bought me Super Nintendo with 3 games inside. 3. I can't fucking say 3. So I say 3 games: F-Zero, Super Mario World, and Super Tennis. And F-Zero was like amazing. So then we got Final Fantasy. I didn't know about Final Fantasy those days, but the problem was that those games were in German, and I never learned German. I was more on English side. But I remember when I played Zelda, you know, when you were a kid and you didn't have choice, you just played that game until you finished it or solved it. So I remember I spent like fucking week to just find something, which I usually, if I would understand, I would find like in a couple hours. So we get Kirby. I played Kirby on my Game Boy, which was amazing. It says 8 games in 1. I don't know, maybe there are all Kirbys inside. So we got again one Kirby, Dream Course, Mega Man X. I actually played Mega Man X. It was amazing. Secret of Mana. Didn't like that game. It was too much for me. I believe it was like when you put order, he strikes, and I didn't like that because I was always the guy who does like he presses and he kicks, you know, like Street Fighter, like Zelda. You know, I wasn't about the guy who gives an order. So we got Star Fox. Star Fox was definitely breaker, 3D graphics. My friend had it, and I remember myself, I used to go to his house to play Star Fox. We got Star Fox, I never played this one. Street Fighter 2 Turbo Edition. Turbo Edition is a little bit faster. I had the Ordinary Edition, and that's when my love to the Street Fighter Hadouken started. So, you know, and I remember I used to play with my brother, and he usually kicked my ass with Chun-Li, but then I found a system and I kicked his ass back. Castlevania, amazing game. Dracula's, everything. I believe I finished that game. Super Ghosts and Ghosts. I used to play that on arcade cabinets. Very hard game. Mario Kart. If you don't know what is Mario Kart, then take a gun and kill yourself. We were raised with this shit. Fucking Mario and his toads, man. My friend was on championship, 94 year. He was in finals. I went there. It's called Gospodarsko Rastavišće, the place with the big hall. And he was the second. He had the red toad. And the last corner, he fucking striked the red toad. And he dropped down the guy who was in front of him so he could pass him, and he won. And he fucking got the trip to Gardaland. And I was so happy, I was like yelling like crazy. Hypa!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, man. My friend won. They got trip to Gardaland, man. And I remember I was picked to answer a question, and I got a Game Boy Watch, which never worked, by the way. But those are memories. Where the fuck did you go? Okay, changed. So we got No! I didn't press nothing. I didn't press nothing. Okay, we gotta go through the games. So we got Super Mario Kart, Super Mario RPG Legend of, I don't know what is this. Super Mario World, which came with the Super Nintendo. I remember it. I was like 13 or 14 years old. Again, Gospodarsko Rastišće, the big hall. There were like TVs. It was like, oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. 3D. Oh my god, Mario with the Yoshi. What is this? I saw first time Yoshi, bro, man. He had a goddamn Yoshi there, man. And you know, when the background picture was moving and you were moving, it was like so much better than on Nintendo. And it was like 3D. It wasn't 3D, but we were like, oh! Man, I remember I was a kid and there were like 3 small TV sets and like 3 Super Nintendos. I was inside. Dad! I need Super Nintendo! Are you crazy? That's so fucking expensive. I don't give a shit. I'll kill myself. And then I got like half a year or a year later, I got my Super Nintendo. Super Metroid, never played it. It was an amazing game. Never had it. Punch Out, never played it. But Zelda. If you don't know Zelda, guys, I had this game. I finished this game. I played this game whole fucking summer 94 or 95. 94, I believe. In German. You know how many hours per day I spent to fucking win this? I was in Wonderland. I was inside. I was a Link. A Link. If you don't know, Zelda is a woman. I was a Link going to that forest, searching for that sword, man. Whenever I found something, I was like, yes. Yes. It was, you know, so many memories. I even had it on Game Boy. Even the best, man. I used to just cut the school just to play the Game Boy. So, Yoshi Island, I didn't have this one. Contra, like I said, I never had it, but I know I played it on other games. So, these are all the games which are here. So, what do we have? We can choose the display. So, we can like have SRT filter. It gives you that feeling, the old nostalgic feeling, you know. And you can have a frame here, you see, a frame. This is new. This doesn't exist on Nintendo. We got 4.3 format. This is like original, or we can do the pixel perfect, which is kind of like the modern age. So, we're gonna go back. So, we got this. We got settings. My gameplay demo, classic demo, screen burn reader. I don't have any idea what the hell is this, but it is. Language, legal notice, and manuals. So, this is it. What do we get here? So, what are we gonna try for? You know, of course, we're gonna try the game which came with this system, and that's Super Mario Land, Super Mario World. So, SRT, old school look, and oh! Can you feel it? Can you fucking feel it? Look at this! Look at this, guys! Oh my god, man! Oh my god! Oh my god, let's go! I still own Super Nintendo, man, and I have everything, but I had to have this. So let's go just to show you how this looks, man. Welcome, this is a dinosaur land. In this strange land we find that Princess Toadstool is missing again. Looks like a browser. Is it again? Just let's start. Oh, so little Mario who have to say, you see this? Super Mario 3 on the Nintendo, you know, started this map and walking around. But I'm just gonna go a little bit through, you know, I'm not gonna play the game. This was ta 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 ta. Like, look at this. Now we're gonna. Where is it? I gotta show you something. Yoshi! Yoshi, man! Oh my god! Whoa, when I saw this first time, man. Oh my god, he's eating these things, man. We're unbeatable. Look at it. When you eat this, you know what's he gonna do? You know, when that shit came out, this was like, you know, this was like something new. And, you know, come over here, come back, yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Mario, what the hell, you can, So, okay, if you want to get out, there's a reset button, guys. You see, you press reset button and it just goes back. This kind of surprised me because before it didn't work, but now it works. So, Mario Kart. Let's go, Mario. I'm always used to press B instead of A, but you know. Hey! Oh, did that? Super Mario Kart, bro. I didn't pick the Mario again. Yeah, this was it. You know, when I was ordered on Nintendo Club magazines, I remember then it was like the Nintendo 64 is coming, you know. But I skipped that, you know. I started hanging with girls, started banging girls, you know. So I skipped Nintendo 64, and on the 97 I was starting with PlayStation, you know. So, but you know, this was still in my life. So of course we're gonna pick Mario for now. Okay. Just to show you a glance how this Mario looked, you know. Now you modern boys, I mean young boys, you're gonna say, oh, this graphic is shit. It's not about the graphic is shit. This was like, in those days, this graphic was like amazing, man. Let's go! So why do you pick the coins if they hit you, you know? They will hit you, okay. Let's go, I got the green toad. The red toads were the best, you know? On! Oh, that's 2000! Oh my god, I miss him worse than the PUBG now. On! No, bro. You see, that's the red toad I was speaking about before. No. So if somebody is no! Oh shit, almost hit me. Am I first? Of course, I'm the boss, bro. I'm the fucking boss, man. Nobody can fuck me up, man. And I got the red toad. Somebody's gonna come in front of me. I'll just pick that red toad. Just Hadouken! You know, I love Street Fighter the most. Let's go. Oh, shit. Look at this. Bam, motherfucker, you down. Very, very down. We got some coins for protection. This is the shit which I just got, but doesn't matter. Let us see. Final lap, and I'll do the final lap just for the sake of the glory. Oh my god. Sake of the glory. And you see, I just throw this, maybe he's gonna hit on it. Dun, 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 dun. This was like fighting between us. We were like fighting, you know. Who's the best? Dinotti is the best, thank you. Okay, we're gonna try another game. Just I'm gonna show one more game, of course. Oh, if you press B, just puts you down. Of course, we're gonna start Street Fighter. You know, Street Fighter. You see, I got my Hadouken! Why did I like so much Street Fighter? Because my dad was a champion in Yugoslavia in a karate, and my dad looked exactly the same as this Ryo. Oh, we got normal and we got turbo. I'll take normal because I used to play normal. All this music just makes me so happy, man. Kinda sad because, you know, I'm not a kid anymore. I act like a kid, but I'm not a kid. Let's go, let me see if I know. Yeah. Hadouken! Hadouken! Let's go. I know them all. I used to be in the store and play the games on Super Nintendo all the time because I didn't have it, you know. Oh my god. Fucking sure you can! Sure you can do this game again after 20 years. Sure you can. So I remember I used to play this game when I was a kid in a store. That store sale lady, she used to just like, you know, get away, you're every day here. You know, you're not supposed to play here games, you know. And I'm gonna just show you the Star Fox, which was for those days amazing graphic. You see, guys, this is 23 years ago, 22 years ago. 3D graphics, man. Can you imagine playing this on VR now? 93.
24 years ago, on Super Nintendo, there was a Star Fox, the game which made gaming even greater.
Thank you, Demon Boy. Thank you. Okay, Blaster. Let's go. I'll just play, doesn't matter. I'll just play this. Dun, dun, no. You pick the course where you wanna go. And let's go. 24 years ago, guys. 24 years ago, guys. You know, now this looks, oh, what, you know, but it's not about it, it's about the game. It's about that, in that age, this was impossible, guys. I think that this game was like, just use the maximum of Super Nintendo. It's funny watching now this, you know, it's kind of like funny. It's kind of like, oh my god, man, what did we play? But you know, that's what it was in that time. You know, that's what maximum. I'm ready. Ready, folks. Ready.
Ready, steady to go.
Okay, let's go. Bombs, turbo. Oh yeah, that was a Sila. We used to say Sila. Okay, I gotta go down or whatever. I don't know. Oh my god, I hit myself. I'm bad. Okay, we gotta kill this guy. So, you know, the consoles, the input is inverted. When you put down, he goes up. I don't know who the fuck did that shit, but that's how it was. So yeah, now when you play a new game, just remember, you know, it all started here. It all started here. That time, this was the big ship. Oh, and I fucking got hit. Doesn't matter, guys. Just a little to show you. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to come on my Twitch, guys, where I stream the new games, and so we can hang out. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you're gonna share this video, and if you like these kind of games, guys, try to find this Super Nintendo because it's collectible, guys, and I believe it's gonna give you a lot of joy in the life. So thank you very much for being here. We're gonna see each other next time, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and whatever.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I just gotta go, so see you tomorrow. Bye. I mean, I didn't say tomorrow. See you next time on Twitch. Bye.